Okay, welcome to today's Kano video. If you're like me, one of the first things you'll want to do is set up a second account, or third, or fourth. It's pretty straightforward. So once you get on the dashboard here with your main account, just come down to your settings. Once this window pops up, you just kind of scroll down, account, add account, and then you'll have to reboot, and then you'll go through the process just like you set up your first account. All right, just like your main account that you just set up, you'll create a new user. Call this one Kano Test. And then you'll go through the exact same process. And you'll get a lot of the same prompts. Enter whatever you want your new user to look like. Now, if you're like me, you're used to a full-size keyboard. You can actually use a wireless or wired keyboard. I've just got a basic Logitech wireless that I just hooked up to it with a wireless mouse. Makes it a lot easier. And if you make any spelling errors like I did there, it'll just reprompt you to type the right one. And all the commands are case sensitive. If you set up your Wi-Fi on your main account, it'll be set up already for you on all your additional accounts. So we don't want to change that. Then you just set up your avatar however you want it. If you want to set up a Kano World account, you can do it here or once you're into the main dashboard. All right, that's it. You got your new user. All your apps are still here. Any additional apps you downloaded are going to be carried over. And you can start a new story mode, your Kano World account, anything like that. All right, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.